Jai Gurudev children. Beta, today is your GK class and today we are going to start that unit 4 till unit 3 we have completed. Okay, and our topic is our country India, honors and awards in India. Okay, first question is description is given and you have to guess that what can be the answer for this question. See that beta, it is the given every year for lifetime contribution to Indian cinema. It is named after a certain person who is also said to be the father of Indian cinema. Devanand, Asa Bhosle and Mrinal Sen are some of the people who have received this award. And the name of the award is beta Dada Saheb Phalke. Okay. That is the greatest and biggest award of the Indian cinema. Dada Saheb Phalke. Second question is that this is the highest Indian military decoration given for the bravery while fighting the enemy. Captain Bikram Batra and Rifleman Sanjay Kumar are amongst its many awards. But the highest award of the military is the Paramveer Chakra. Okay, that is Paramveer Chakra. Third question is that the award is the India's supreme award given for the highest degree of national service. Okay, and the highest degree of the national service it is also given to non-Indians. Nelson Mandela, Satyajit Ray and Sachin Tendulkar are some of the people who have won this prestigious award. Okay, and the name of the award, maybe everybody of you have known this, that is Bharat Ratna. Okay, Bharat Ratna. Fourth question is that it is the India's highest honor given for achievement in the field of the sports. This award was instituted in the year 1991 and 1992 to supply the lack of supreme national accolade in sport. Chess wizard Viswanathan Anand was one of the person to receive this award, and the highest award in the field of the sports is beta Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Okay, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Next question is, this is the highest literacy award in India. The name of the award has been taken from the Sanskrit word of knowledge seat. It is given by Sahu Jain family. Malayalam writer G.S. Shankar Kurup was the first person to get this award, and the name of the award is beta Jnanpith Award. Okay, Jnanpith Award. So these are the answers of the first lesson of the that honors and awards. Okay, now we are moving to the second part of the lesson. Okay, that is from our India. And what is the first question? See that the Mughal dynasty was founded by a certain individual who was the descendant of Genghis Khan. There has been a book written on this person in Turkish language is Changtai. Okay, the name of the book, you have to say about the name of the book, and name of the book is beta Babur Nama. Okay, Babur Nama. Second question is that the board game is often said to be made by board game pioneer Milton Bradley in 1943 was actually originated age ago in India. It was known by the names like Vaikuntapali and Parampada Sopanam. Okay, and it is beta nothing else, snake and ladders. Okay, snake and ladders. A very popular sport was earlier known as Rathera. It was played on the Raths on chariots. It was once one of the most popular game in the time of Chalukya and Rashtrakuta dynasties. Okay, and the name of this sport is beta Kho Kho. Next question is that three major dynasties ruled the southern tip of the India south of the Satvahana kingdom in the late centuries BC. They were constantly at war with each other, but it was a period when Tamil language, art and literature prospered. Name of the dynasty is, okay, its name beta Chera, Chola and Pandya. Chera, Chola and Pandya. Okay. Late in the 1st century, an unknown Greek sailor wrote a detailed description of southern ports seen in the travels to India via the Red Sea coast and the Arabian Sea. This record of the voyage to India consists of 66 chapters. Okay, and the name of this is beta the and the name of the book is beta the Periplus of the Erythraean Sea. Okay, the name of the book is the Periplus of the Erythraean Sea. Okay, and the next question is that the oldest known Arabian literature written in Tamil was produced thousands of years ago. Poets, writers, and scholars formed academies to produce great works of language and literature. And the name of the literature is beta Sangam literature. What is that? Sangam literature. Next is that it is the fresh water of river dolphin found in Bangladesh, India, Nepal and Pakistan, which is split into two subspecies. One of these two subspecies is the national aquatic animal of India. Name this national aquatic animal of India, and that is beta Gangetic dolphins. What is that? Gangetic dolphins. Okay, and next this pictures are also given to you. Okay, so you can see that Gangetic dolphins are shown to you. Then next, that an animal was the emblem of the Chola Empire. This animal was a member of the Felidae family. Name of this animal is beta last picture is related to the tiger, and the last answer is tiger. So in this way beta Our 2 lessons from this unit 4th we have completed, and you also complete these chapters, and not only complete but remember them, memorize them also. Okay, till that we will meet in the next class. Till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.